Welcome to another episode of ASL Basics. Today is actually the second part in a three-part series. Last week we went over our numbers 1 through 20. If you've missed that episode, I would encourage you to go back and watch it so you can learn your numbers 1 through 20, because today we're going to be going through the numbers 21 to 100. Let's learn the basics. Before we get started, if you're finding these videos helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe, and also click that bell notification so you can be notified when a new lesson goes up. And let me know in the comment section below what got you interested in learning sign language. Okay, now that we're all done with that, let's go ahead and learn some numbers. For the number 21, you just do this, 21. Going on to 22, you'll make the 2 hand shape and you bounce it, 22. And just to forewarn you, this will be the same for any repeating double-digit number. So for example, 33 will be 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. So now that we got the doubles out of the way, we're going to move on to 23. So you'll make the hand shape for 3, and you'll wiggle your middle finger for 23. So 24 is actually another one of those signs that you will see multiple ways. The first one I will show you will be the proper way or the formal way, and then I will show you some other ways that you might see it. So the formal way would be 24 with the L shape for 20 and then the number 4. The more casual way, or the other ways that you may see this number, will be 24 or 24. But from here on out, I'm going to be signing the 20s with the L hand shape, since that's the more formal way. Moving on, we have 25. 25. The numbers 26 through 29 are actually pretty straightforward. We're going to continue to use that L shape as I mentioned before. So we're going to do 26, 27, 28, 29. Next, we have the number 30. 3, 0. So for the 30, 40, 50, as you go up in tens, you just make the first number and then follow it by a 0. So for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Great. So for the rest of the numbers, it's just signing the first number followed by the second number. So for example, you have 31. You have 32, and remember with doubles, you bounce the number. So 33, 34, 35, so on and so forth. And you can count your way all the way up to 100 that way. So that only leaves us with the last number, 100. You'll see this 2 different ways, and I'll show you both. The proper way was 1C, think of like 1 century, 100, or for shorthand, 100. So congratulations, now you know your signs from 1 to 100. That's incredible. In the next video, which will be the final part in this series, we will put everything we've learned so far together, and I will teach you how you can sign any number that you want. That's right, any number. If you've missed any of my other previous videos, I've done one on the alphabet and on animals and on colors. Feel free to go back and watch those for yourself. You can get to them in the card above or in the link in the description below. So I encourage you all to go out there and use what you've learned so far. Practice with your friends and practice with your families. And if you're that kind of person, you can go show off all the signs that you know. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.